Already all done. So I have been texting this person for over 6 months. I have been sending him even money. So I want to meet this person, but it's like he might go around me. Every day he might tell me tomorrow, tomorrow. So I soon post something, so I say I reach out to you, and I did.
All right, so did you set? Well, yeah, it's a like a internet relationship then. You mean over the phone?
Over the phone, yes.
Yes. So what and what have you sent different from money?
Ready? Ready. He send me pictures and I send him back pictures.
What kind of pictures?
Normal pictures of myself.
As in, open up pictures,
Did you send
naked, nude.
Wait.
Yeah, obviously I said nude pictures. That's what I mean.
Get a picture?
Nude. When we say it, you're going to say nude. And nude, we say not open.
You know, sexy picture.
Nude.
Nude. When we say open picture, you're going to say no, nude. You're going to say it's the same thing.
Sorry, TV, sorry.
You open up.
What do you thought we were
Picture.
Ready.
So, is it open pictures or what?
Nude pictures.
It's the same. Because it's naked, you know naked?
Yeah.
Right.
So you send a lot of those.
So you send your naked picture?
Not really still, not really.
So what kind of man you been texting for 6 months and you haven't seen the way you're gonna take and you don't see nothing if your body full of riff raff or
Alright, but we're not here to judge. We're here to assess and see if we can find out what's going on. So what we'd have to do, we'll take some more information from you and then we go and hunt and see. Give me your phone.
let me scan everything, yeah?
Yeah, scan this phone.
Cut. Hey, AJ! Stop running on the car, boy. Give my phone. Ready.
Alright, so give me the phone and I'm gonna give you the phone you can
Yeah.
wait, show me his number.
Continue. Don't put up the number up there.
Already.
You get fuck.
Give me one number.
Put up your number.
Eh?
Put your number up there, Brown. Just write your number on the screen.
Put one number there.
Bro, only my number here.
No, hold on, put the number.
What the hell is pretty good?
No, you tell me to put me. No, because let me tell you, brother. Let me tell you. So what you tell
Are you
me?
putting on it? Let's go. Alright, let's now.
No, scanning. No, scanning.
No, I want to give
number.
you, after I give me number now, more there, if you want to give me the phone.
Still looking at your phone.
The next chief press gone up here. Let's go. What part is the must stay?
Ready.
Alright, in general, go through that now and tell me where you find out. Get that person's profile. But we're meeting on IG.
Yeah, Instagram.
Alright, so if it's the IG king, you know what's going on.
Alright.
Take back your phone, Papa. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Alright. Not scan. Alright, so we have every information, every lock, everything.
And what we're going to do,
What you get, we will get it. So keep on check. Don't come off the line.
and what we're going to do though, we're going to do some investigation and I'll check you tomorrow. Alright?
Yeah.
But I will call if any update.
Okay.
It's nice meeting you.
Thanks.
And
Sorry.
Remember, don't send in no more news because remember we scanned the WhatsApp. So
Ready. Come again.
so nice meeting you. And we hope for the best. Because the relationship we have with this person is what? Do you love the person?
Yeah, I want to find out if this is a catfish or what.
So you were going through.
Last part, which one?
No, because we want the conversation. No. Tell me, why did you decide to look for love on the internet though?
Not really me myself find love. That person texts me and I continue to text the person but like the person.
Don't take my social media and understand on YouTube. Information film. Understand. I am an actor from there. My name is niceconn. NiceConn on YouTube. You can go over there and subscribe people. Sometimes I do behind the scenes BTS. Alright, so here I am doing it now. This is behind the scene BTS movie from Children Club. So like this. So this is BTS people.
Yes, but during that time, did you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I was in a relationship.
But what happened to the relationship make you have to seek attention outside? You can't talk about the man, tell man when this man when that, you never had,
In the bleach and you never did a beard.
no, in the like in bleaching, but you know they get the money. Or whatever. Come on, talk no man, come on. No. Yeah.
Well,
Why?
me and
Why did no? Let's talk about this. Why give me a good story? Yeah. Why would you go and look for love on the internet if you're in a relationship?
me could bother with my boyfriend because he no want work and because he know me work and have my money, he make him come to me for money. And one hand can't clap, me can't bother with him, so me tell him to go on. Me tell him to go on because me can't bother with the relationship there. Every time I come beg me money, all thing he want to do is rub and bleaching cream. Me can't bother with that.
Also, but no, that person that you have on the phone, you never meet him before.
Ready for it.
Yeah, so that person that you've been talking on the, what is his name?
Alex,
Alex. So you never meet Alex before,
never.
and you never video talk with him,
Yeah, we talk over
like
phone.
video.
Video? No, we never video call.
Why didn't you video call with him?
And well, me always ask him about video call. He said he's always telling me that he's busy.
No, you know, no. We can't camera mash up.
Camera mash up.
Them say, in terms of me tell you say I want bag of me I use.
Oh, bah.
I want bag of me I talk to.
No, we go IG.
IG
Yeah, man,
meeting.
then just
He also tell me saying him camera mash up.
Mash up. on
Yeah,
your phone.
man.
And he now work and he touch show faggy and
Yeah, camera. Yeah, so I even send him money to buy a phone.
ready.
Yeah, ready.
well, we never talk about video call because him ever tell me say him phone camera now work. It a go show faggy, so me just leave it. Me even send him money for buy a phone. Him no buy so.
Money did you send him?
Me send him over 30 grand. And I send him money more than one time.
So you really love this person.
Yeah, I really
What
love
about
him.
this person you like?
Well, his personality is really nice.
But and his picture, you have a picture
And
of
his
him.
picture, yeah, he's a really cute guy.
Alright, so we're gonna try and help you.
He's a really, no, we're
You
gonna
talk about it. You don't know the funny.
Yeah.
You don't know the funny.
You don't
No.
I never see.
No, we don't eat yet. We don't do it.
We don't do it yet.
We don't find it yet.
So Instagram what
She just had it in her room now. So I hope it's on your phone and no one can see no party. But that's why the water is stored there. I said no look party. There's about that fake kitchen part there, no. Everybody go know. Everybody go know. So
What? I'm going to do plastic surgery for my face, yeah.
ready now, let's go.
Ready, ask him my call.
So, cute guy.
Oh, what attracted you to this person?
His body nice and clean and strong and thick. Me love them man there.
And if you look good?
And him face nice and look good.
I'm going to do
But,
plastic surgery.
but you're not sure if it's a real person then.
I don't know if he's sending me a next person picture or if that picture he sent me is a film picture. So that is the reason why me get out to get.
Now I'm gonna ask you a question now. What if the person that you're texting now is like my partner?
Wait.
Face.
Like yo.
When you say that a shock.
Well, wait just now, I'm going to partner.
Wait, come again.
I come me then.
Oh no man, stand on.
I will be very disappointed.
Come on, come on man, get up.
This is the only face.
This is not my real face, oh.
I shame on myself. Ready, fire.
Yeah. So what if the person that you're texting look like my partner or me?
What you just say?
Well, if that person look like your partner, I would be very disappointed.
Why?
Cut, come back.
No, me ask you
I don't know
why.
why. When you say why, now look for nice me. Nice, clean,
Yeah, me say, look for nice, clean, you. Can't see the nice man we are
What
look
me I
for.
doing this, man?
You say what I did
Alright, ready. Ask him, ask him.
Because they get around me. Ready now.
Ready.
Alright. What if the person that you're texting all this time for almost month and sending him money actually look like my partner that
What you
I'm
say?
in business with?
Well, sir,